there's a river here, magpa-bridge po,
This one's our
going here.
budget.
So two rivers
All the
going to
time.
one, two rivers again kung going to one. So the amount of water talaga, dire-diretso po, malakas ang tubig po talaga. And if you saw earlier, dito po, this is the bypass road. Ang problema, landslide na landslide. Opo.
Supposedly po, dito po dapat idadaan yan. Dito kung saan yung Memorial Park nila yan.
Oh.
Kasi may subdivision si Padilla dyan at saka may Memorial Park dyan si Padilla. That's good. At least mabait naman yung mga ano dito din. Yung itong bypass.
Akala natin this year nga matatapos. Sabi.
Meron tayo 2025 nito.
Meron nang binigay siya.
100 million. To complete the whole
Kompleto na yata. Pero plus,
for next year. This portion. Ito lang. Bakit mabang kilometer lang.
Tumagal din po ako presidente because before nung ginagawa ko, nagka-issue po sa DNR.
wala silang
Walang ECC, yung DPWH did not get ECC to get the mountain. So nagka-problem with the DNR and DPWH before. So anyway, we are very glad you're here.